Hi, hello everyone. This is the pictures of Prince Andrew Kasiwaji of Monaco. She's my one and only royal crush in the world. And after Prince Andrew Kasiwaji of my photo image, I would like to share from all over the world for all royal prince collection and like a royal wedding. Yan, the royal family in London. Grace, brother of Grace. Prince Harry. Yeah, ako. She's a Prince Harry, Princess Andrea. Kasi Princess Andrea. Prince Andrea kasi graduate mo na ako and ako. Then, the royal wedding. Hi. Hello. Hello everyone. Hi, hello everyone. My name is Josephine Aquino. Just call me for short Samantha, and I would like to share from all over the world if who I am. I would like to share to my experience for the love life. I would like to share from all over the world if who I am to fall in love with Andrea, with Prince Andrea Kasiwaji of Monaco. This is my love story diary for the love at first sight to meet the Prince Andrea Kasiwaji of Monaco. This is the story about. My one and only crush in the royal prince is a handsome prince. His name of my crush, Andrea Kasiwaji of Monaco, is one of the most handsome royal in the world. Since matagal ko na siyang crush simula nang siya'y bumisita dito sa Pilipinas noong 2006, pero hindi ko siya nakita ng personal at dahil nag-aaral pa ako ng high school. Noong mga panahon na iyon, wala pa kaming TV, hindi ko rin alam na isa pala siyang royal, and she is the prince. Nakilala ko siya to find the internet is all about the Andrea. Nang makita ko siya sa internet, nagka-crush na ako. Nagustuhan ko siya because of the long hair and smile, inside and out of the beauty. Hindi dahil sa kagwapuhan niya, siya sa popular, kundi sa iba niyang katangian to the smile. Nung makilala ko siya sa internet, it's all about the life and the family. I have to collect the pictures of Andrea in solid image. I can display in my bedroom, inside my bedroom. Kapag nakikita ko siya, mga larawan niya sa mga kwarto ko, napapangiti ako, and then kiss to the pictures, kinikilig ako. Kumbaga, nawawala yung mga problema ko sa buhay, lungkot at pangungulila dahil sa mga larawan niya. And I can sing the song to my favorite, is Today Was a Fairy Day, and the last story to my crush to see in the pictures. Like Prince Andrea Kasiwaji of Monaco. Ang totoo kasi niyan, wala akong alam na may royal prince is a different country inside the Europe and all around the world. Hindi ko po kilala ang mga popular na kagaya nila Princess Diana and the Prince. Hindi ako naging interesado sa mga prince. I'm not interested for all the prince in the royal in the world. Ang hinahangaan ng lahat. Ang totoo niyan, wala akong alam na may fairy tale sa totoong buhay. Ang alam ko, yung mga nababasa ko lamang sa libro at napapanood ko lang sa cartoons. Kagaya ng Snow White, Cinderella, Beauty and the Beast, and Sleeping Beauty. Yung mga katang-isip lang na ginawa lang ng mga tao para makilala ang fairy tale story. Nalaman ko lang nung mapanood ko sa TV na ikakasal sila Prince William and the commoners Catherine Middleton. She has the royal family na tumatak na sa kalendaryo ang wedding nila. The title is The Royal Wedding. It's a fairy tale happy ever after. It's a modern day. Doon ko nasaksihan ang lahat ng kaganapan. Doon ko nalaman na totoo palang may fairy tale family. Siya sa part of the royal family, the royal blood. Doon ko nakilala mga prinsipe na kinuhumalingan nila. Sinasabi ng lahat na she's the most handsome, she's the most popular in the world. kagaya nila Prince Harry is just the youngest brother of Prince William and the youngest son of Princess Diana. Doon ko nakita ang mga larawan niya sa internet at sa mga video. Similar si Prince Amadeo ng Belgium, si Prince Alexandra ng Austria, tapos si Prince Felix ng Luxembourg, si Prince Carl Philip ng Sweden, and of course, she's the youngest brother of Prince Andrew Kasiwaji of Monaco. It's all about Prince Pierre Kasiwaji of Monaco. And then, nang malaman ko lahat, I have to collect for all the prints. I have no interest, just have collection in my bedroom. She can make me happy to collect the pictures in my collection. Hanggang sa malaman ko na lang na, alam niyo ba na kung bakit hindi ko naranasan umibig at magmahal ng iba? Dahil wala akong ibang taong minahal, kundi ang taong napamahal sa akin kahit na hindi ko pa siya nakikita, hindi pa niya ako kilala, malayo ang abot namin sa isa't isa. She was the love at first sight. Kaya masasabi ko, I am in love with the Prince Andrew Kasiwaji of Monaco. Kaya wala akong masabi dahil akala ko kasi nung unang pagkita ko sa kanya sa amin nila nung una siyang bumisita para sa foundation ng Amity. Akala ko kasi isa siyang Hollywood actor. Akala ko artista siya. Akala ko sikat siya sa Hollywood. Yung pala, hindi ko po alam na isa pala siyang royal prince. She has the handsome boy. She has the very, very tall man and very good prince. Nung makita ko siya, napangiti ko, na-inlove ako. I can feel for the love first sight. I can start to my heart to ganun, parang tumitibok kagad ang puso ko. Parang pakiramdam ko pag na-inlove ako, parang feel ko parang ang lakas ng tama niya eh. Parang unang kita ko pa lang kay Prince Andrea, na love at first sight na ako. She has the first crush, first love inside in my heart. Wala ko ibang minahal. Wala ko ibang hinangad. Hindi ang makasama ko siya. Pero nung malaman ko yun, tinanggap ko po yun ng buong buo. Pero kahit na ngayon, nabalita ako kay kakasal na siya, mula nang ako yung mangulila kay Andrew Kasiwaji of Monaco, nainip na kasi ako na maghintay kung kailan siya darating dito uli sa Pilipinas. Mula nang bumisita siya noong 2006, mula nang makita ko ang video ni Andrew Kasiwaji sa YouTube. Napanood ko siya. Every day, I can search on the name of Prince Andrea and I can watch for all video of Prince Andrea and I'm happy to see them. For I'll collect my pictures, video. It's all about the story of Prince Andrea. I am the number one and I am the number one fan of Prince Andrew Kasiwaji of Monaco. Pero hanggang doon lang yun. But para sabihin ko sa inyo, I can share for all over the world. I am in love with Prince Andrew Kasiwaji of Monaco because I am the woman to fall in love with the prince. Steve to Andrea. Ano po ibang masabi? Sana po magustuhan niyo po ang iaalay kong pangalawang hakbang, pangalawang istorya na ibubukod ko ang aking kwento para kay Prince Andrew Kasiwaji of Monaco, my one and only love in the galaxy.